Hello everyone, this is Rohit Srivastav and welcome back to Coding with Rohit YouTube channel. This is a series in which I solve CSS puzzle from the CSS battle and make cool shapes like this push button with the help of HTML and CSS. In this video, I solve a puzzle which is called push button, and this is a battle number 1, target 3. So let's get started. In this puzzle is divided into two divisions. First is a rectangle, and another one is circle. Okay, and we need to change the background of this canvas. So first we create two division for rectangle, and with the rectangle we need a circle. Okay, so div. Sorry. For that we open our style tag, style. Okay, so in within the style tag we change the background first. So the, the background and color. Now we create a rectangle. So for rectangle we choose the rectangle rec, and now height of rectangle is around 150 px and width is 300 px. Background. And background of the rectangle is background, that is this one. We set the margin for the 75 px and 42 px, and remove the hand overflow hidden. Okay, so our rectangle is complete. Now we move to our circle. So for circle we choose circle id, and now we create our circle. For circle we choose the width, set the width of 150 px and height 50 px, and background border radius 50%, and set the margin to 50 px auto. And now we create the shadow for this circle. But now we need to create this ring of light blue color. So for that we use box shadow, box shadow 000 50 px, and the color. Okay, and our shape is done, and we submitted, and say 100% match. Okay, If you are enjoy watching this, to be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And if you have any recommendation or suggestion on something I should try to do, leave a comment below. Alright, thank you so much. I hope this helps you all and happy coding.